Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing without a website. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. You're not going to have to show your face ever with this method, and you're never going to need to create a website in order to do affiliate marketing if you follow this video step by step. You're going to learn how to make your first $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing just by following the step-by-step strategy inside this video. We're going to start with what is affiliate marketing. We're going to then move on to talking about the best product to promote in order to reach that $1,000 per month mark. And then I'm going to show you two methods. Method number one, which is going to be a video-based method where you don't have to show your face. And then method number two, which is going to be a text-based method that does not contain any kind of website whatsoever. And then lastly, I'm going to give you my recommendation for how to go about this strategy in order to get the most success and results with affiliate marketing without showing your face. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you my number one recommendation for making money without a website. I'm going to show you success stories of people using the method that I'm talking about inside of this video. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to get started as a complete beginner. If you get any kind of value from this video whatsoever, consider hitting the like button and then subscribing to the channel for more content on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. And before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below this video with my number one recommendation for an affiliate program and my number one recommendation for how to make money online. So go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, let's jump in to the method. Before we start off, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is the process of connecting a buyer to a company by recommending a product or a service, and then you as the affiliate gets a commission off of whatever that buyer pays. So let's say if somebody is searching online for best laptop for students, and you have some content out there and you have an affiliate link that goes over to Amazon, if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and purchases a product from you, you're going to get a commission of that price, and that's going to be your payout as an affiliate marketer. And there's all kinds of different companies and products and services that offer all kinds of different affiliate commission rates for us, the affiliate marketers. So the typical way to do affiliate marketing is first you're going to get your affiliate links from different companies or products or services. Then after that, you're going to be creating searchable content online. That's going to be either using a website or something like a YouTube channel, and that's going to give you passive evergreen commissions by using that searchable content. However, in order to do that, you need a website or YouTube channel, and you have to show your face. So in this video, we're going to be talking about other methods that you can do affiliate marketing without using your face or using a website. And then lastly, in order to do typical affiliate marketing, you direct people to your affiliate links, which we're going to be showing you how to do inside this video without using a website. So in order for us to make money with affiliate marketing and not have a website, there's specific products that we have to promote in order to make money. And my number one recommendation for a product to promote using this method is Legendary Marketer. The reason I recommend Legendary Marketer is because number one, it's the hottest product right now in the affiliate marketing niche. Number two, it converts really well on social media sites, and that's what we're going to be using inside this method is social media sites, because we aren't going to be using a website. And then number three, it only costs $7. So it's really simple to get into. It doesn't cost that much money to start and become an affiliate marketer. And if you're interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below this video so you can sign up to start becoming an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. In order to actually become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, what you have to do is sign up for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. That's the $7 product that I talked about earlier. And all you're gonna have to do is just apply to become an affiliate. And it's really simple to get approved for their affiliate program. All you have to do is just hop on a phone call with an agent of theirs and then tell them your strategy and plan. And you can use this strategy inside this video that I'm talking about right now. Once you're inside the back end office of Legendary Marketer, all you're gonna have to do to find your affiliate links is go over to the account tab and go down to affiliates, and then go over to the funnel section here on the left and click on this Business Challenge Lite theme. And this is where all your affiliate links are gonna be for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge and all the other products that are inside of the Legendary Marketer back end. So now that you have your affiliate links for my number one recommended affiliate product, now it's time to talk about how do we actually get free traffic to our affiliate links. And how we're going to do this without using a website? Well, we're going to be using two different free traffic methods inside this video. Number one is going to be TikTok. I'm going to show you how to do TikTok videos without showing your face in order to get money with affiliate marketing. And then number two, I'm going to show you how to use Twitter in order to tweet out affiliate links and then make money without ever using a website. So method number one is we're going to be using TikTok in order to make money with affiliate marketing. And we're going to be creating videos like this account here, Hustle to Rich. These videos are very simple and easy to create. All you're going to do is just open up a Google Slides document and you're going to create simple slides like this that keep your viewers' attention and then direct them to your bio in order to make money with affiliate marketing. And as you can see, his videos actually do get quite a lot of views. So here's one with 104,000. Here's one with 333,000. So they do work. Here's one with 2.6 million. And all you're going to be doing is taking your cell phone and filming the step-by-step slides that you'll be creating inside of Google Slides. So here's just a quick example of something that I put together really fast for this method. This is just going to be a step-by-step slide tutorial that's meant to get people's attention on TikTok. So what we have here are just a few slides that are really, really easy to create. All I did was I just added a header and then I added a GIF image right here. And as you can see, if I was going to create a TikTok video, I would say something along the lines of, do you want to learn how to make money without a website, without a following, and with no experience? Well, follow for more and check out the link in my description to learn how to make money online. So that's just a very simple, short 7-second TikTok video that you can do using these Google Slide templates. And then all you're gonna have to do after you create your videos is just add that affiliate link to your bio from Legendary Marketer. Our next method, we are going to be using Twitter as our free traffic source in order to make money with affiliate marketing and no website. So as you can see here, I've actually built up quite a big following on Twitter. I have over 44,000 followers, and this is just inside the finance niche. So as you can see, I talk about passive income, affiliate marketing, print on demand, and how to grow on Twitter. So that's going to be inside of the affiliate marketing niche. And I've actually made money just by tweeting out affiliate links on my Twitter account. And I'm going to show you how to do that inside of this method. So if we just scroll down, you'll see that I actually promote more than just affiliate products. I actually promote my affiliate course. So I actually promote my free course on Twitter as well in order to build up my email list. And that's actually what I'm using inside of my bio currently, but you can actually put your affiliate link to a program like Legendary Marketer inside of your Twitter bio and direct people to your bio if they're interested in learning how to make money with affiliate marketing. So how do we actually make money on Twitter? So we're going to be using my 4-part strategy in order to get affiliate sales without using a website. So that's going to be mastering your bio and then commenting for growth. Because if you're starting off on Twitter with no followers, you have to get followers and views in order to get people clicking on your affiliate links. And it's all about how many clicks can you get on your affiliate links, because the more clicks that you get on your links, then the more sales you're gonna get in the back end of your affiliate program. Also, I'm gonna show you my secret strategy for hacking the Twitter algorithm so that your tweets go viral and you get more clicks on your affiliate links. And then I'm going to show you lastly how to place your affiliate links inside of your tweets in order to get the most amount of clicks and make money on Twitter. When it comes to mastering your bio on Twitter, there's a few things that we need to talk about, and that's your bio format, where to place your links, and how to use emojis in order to get the most amount of clicks on those links. So I like to follow the what, why, and then call to action format inside of my bio. So my first statement is what my account's all about. And as you can see here, my account is about passive money with affiliate marketing. Next, I have my why statement. That's why people should follow me. And that's because I've been able to earn over $5,000 per month using Twitter and just tweeting out links. Lastly, I have my call to action, and this is going to be grab my free course to learn how, but you can actually have your affiliate link in that call to action inside of your bio. Next, I like to use the location space in order to promote a second link. So for me, I like to use subscribe to my YouTube channel, but you could actually just use that same link inside of the website section in order to get more clicks on your affiliate link. And when it comes to actually getting traffic on Twitter, there's a couple of things that you need to take into consideration. So number one is commenting. We're going to be commenting on bigger accounts, people who have over 1,000 followers. We're going to be commenting on their tweets, and then that's how we're going to be getting exposure and engagement on our own content. And then I'm going to show you how to find viral tweet templates in order to use on Twitter that are almost guaranteed to go viral. And then it's also good to retweet other accounts in order to get more exposure for your own account. And then lastly, I'm going to show you my secret strategy for getting tons of engagement on my tweets. Let me show you how to comment on other accounts' tweets in order to get the most exposure for your own account. So let me go over to the home feed of my Twitter account. I'm going to find a viral tweet that's inside of my niche. So I found this tweet here. Don't give up on yourself. There's a reason why you started, and I'm going to use this tweet in order to drive traffic back to my Twitter account. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to like this tweet, and then I'm going to tweet my reply. So my reply is going to be something like, I didn't give up, and now I'm making a full-time income on Twitter. So as you can see here, I took the content inside of the main tweet, so don't give up on yourself, and I took that and I used that content in order to point people back to my account. So I said something along the lines of, I didn't give up, and now I'm making a full-time income on Twitter, never give up. This is going to make people curious about what I am doing on my Twitter account. So they're going to click on my profile picture, and they're going to go back over, and the first thing they're going to see is the link inside of my bio, and that's where I tell them, hey, I make $5,000 a month on Twitter. They're already interested in that, so they're going to click on that link, and I'm going to get an email subscriber from that account. So that's how you comment in order to grow your account on Twitter. Now let's talk about how to find viral tweet ideas. So I'm going to go up to search. I'm going to search for affiliate marketing. And then I'm going to click on these three little dots here and go to the advanced search section. We're going to type in affiliate marketing. And then I'm going to go down to the engagement section of the advanced search. And I want to have a minimum likes of 1,000. That's going to give us viral tweet ideas inside of the affiliate marketing niche. I'm going to click on search. And then we're going to find different tweets that went viral that were talking about affiliate marketing. So the first tweet that I noticed that has affiliate marketing inside of their tweet and has gone super viral is this tweet right here, 3,249 likes. So I would use this content and I would change up the wording here, but I would use this format and the idea in order to create a tweet of my own that would go viral on Twitter. So now that you know how to comment and tweet on Twitter in order to go viral and get people clicking on your affiliate links, now I want to talk about my secret strategy in order to get the most amount of exposure on my affiliate links. And that's by using what is called engagement groups. So engagement groups are just a bunch of people that trade retweets on their content in order to go viral. As you can see here for this tweet, this had 354 retweets, and I used an engagement group in order to get that tweet to go viral. Ended up having 1.4 thousand likes on it. So that went extremely viral and boosted my account. And at the bottom of this, as you can see, show this thread, I listed my affiliate link there, and that's how I got tons of affiliate clicks on that link. So engagement groups work like this. You find a community of people who are willing to trade retweets with you. Then every time that you submit your tweet, then you go ahead and retweet the other people that are inside of your group, and then everybody gets more retweets on their content. Now these engagement groups can be kind of hard to find, so I'm going to go ahead and link down below this video my #1 engagement group recommendation, and that's going to be Smart Engagement Community. I've used this one and I've gone viral many times on Twitter by using the Smart Engagement Community. So go ahead and leave that down below this video if you're interested. So now that you know how to make a tweet go viral, now it's time to show you how to post that affiliate link inside your tweet in order to get the most amount of clicks. So what you're going to do is submit a viral tweet to an engagement group. They're going to start retweeting it. You're going to get a lot of exposure on that tweet, and then you're going to wait about 10 to 30 minutes after that tweet goes live, and then post your affiliate link underneath that tweet inside of a thread. You're going to do this after your tweet has about 30 likes within 30 minutes. That's usually the gauging point for determining whether or not your tweet is going to go viral. You want to make sure, though, to follow the flow of the tweet. So you don't want to just have a tweet all about, let's say, psychology tips, and then talk about how to make money on Twitter underneath that. You need to follow the flow. So as you can see here, I did that. I said 30 minutes of reading a day will change the way you think. and I said, my recommendation, start by buying and reading this Twitter guide. So as you can see, I tied in reading into both of my tweets, so I was able to follow a flow so people aren't caught off guard when they open up my thread and see some random link inside of that next tweet. Here's some other examples of when I did this, promoting affiliate links underneath my tweets. So as you can see here, I had this tweet go kind of viral. It's about being in your 20s, getting out of debt, starting a side hustle. And as you can see here, I took that and I turned it into, hey, look, in 3 months, Twitter pays my bills. What you need to do in order to get the same kind of result is buy this course, follow it step by step, do it for the next 3 months, and you will see results. So that's what I call the step-by-step approach, and you give them a step-by-step guide in order to get the results that you're getting, but you put your affiliate link inside of that step-by-step guide. Another way I like to do it is by creating a sales tweet. So this one right here is, if you want to be successful, study successful people, no excuses. And then I talk about, do you want my success blueprint? Because my success blueprint is based inside my course, Print That Profits. And if you want to get it, it's just $17. It's on sale. So that's what I call the sales tweet. So I like to use a combination of step-by-step and sales tweets in order to get the most amount of clicks on my affiliate links. Once you have all the steps in order to do affiliate marketing without a website, here is my recommendation for a content system. First things first is you need to get your affiliate links. Whether you choose to promote a program like Legendary Marketer or another program, make sure it is an affiliate marketing program or a make money online program, because that's going to be the most successful using this strategy. Next, make sure to set up your social media account. So set up your TikTok account and set up your Twitter account and make them around affiliate marketing or making money online. Next, you need to create at least one video a day for the TikTok videos using those video presentations that I showed you inside of Google Slides, and then grow your Twitter account by commenting on accounts with over 1,000 followers and tweeting out viral tweet templates that I showed you how to find inside of Twitter. Lastly, make sure that you're promoting your affiliate links daily. So have them inside your bio for your TikTok and your Twitter account, and then promote them inside of tweets daily on Twitter. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and click on the link down below this video for my #1 way to make money with affiliate marketing. It's going to take you step by step from a very beginner to an expert when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing. And if you want more content on how I make money with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on affiliate marketing and making money online. And I will see you guys inside of the next video.